Multisensory experience may mean using more senses than usual, but we use all our senses all the time. Perhaps it means being conscious of the way our senses of sight, sound, smell, taste, and touch contribute to our understanding of the world around us. With the artist Uta Kögelsberger, we made the project Orchestra of Rocks as a response to the ecological crisis, where our raw materials, recordings of water dripping in a cave in the Peak District, have been transposed across space and sense. These sounds have been screened as part of a film, played through artificial rock sculptures in gallery exhibitions, and most recently became the material for a 360-degree virtual immersive environment. We hear the cave without having been there. We see abstractions of rocks in physical space and on screen. Uta fashioned virtual rocks working with 3D designers and programmers, using her sense of what the French call a plasticienne, to give the computer graphic renditions a visceral sense in their virtuality. I perform the cave sounds through the use of physiological sensors tracking electromyogram signals from the muscle to stretch, shape, and sculpt the field recordings into abstraction. Do these creative multisensory acts transport the listener spectator back to the Peak District, into the caves to feel the space, the humidity, perhaps the claustrophobia? Or rather, do we create a new experience of synthetic immersive media approaching the promises of virtual reality? It is not for us to say. Instead, it is in the poetic interpretation of the beholder. And here we understand that multisensory experience is not simply about perception, but about interpretation, action, and engagement.